Hi everyone, thanks for watching the Wingsland X1 tutorial video. Open box and prepare for the flight. Firstly, open the package and take the X1 out of the box. The package includes aircraft body, micro USB cable, battery, backup propeller set. We recommend you to read the X1 Quick Start Guide carefully before you start flying the drone. Twist the propeller guards and set them into ready-to-fly mode. Insert the battery into the battery compartment. Please make sure the convex part of the battery fits in the concave properly. After the battery is installed and power on, the front blue LED indicator of the aircraft will flash slowly, then turn off. Connect the USB port, which is located on the tail of the aircraft, to a suitable power source with the USB cable. The recommended power source is 5 volts 1 amp. The charging time is about 50 minutes. The front LED indicator of the aircraft flashes slowly during the charging and will be off after it has fully charged. Please disconnect the USB cable and remove the battery as soon as the charging is done. Please visit Wingsland official website, App Store or Google Play Store to download the Wingsland X1 app. 2. Flight control. Insert the battery into the X1 battery compartment. The X1 will power on automatically. Before the takeoff, the tail LED indicators flashes slowly. Connect the X1 Wi-Fi on your mobile device. The Wi-Fi name of the X1 is Wingsland X1. The default password is Wingsland. After the Wi-Fi is connected to your mobile device, launch X1 app. Tap Go Start to Fly to access the general flying interface, and you can see the live view image from X1. Tap Take Off icon to start flying. The X1 will hover in place after the takeoff. The following steps will demonstrate Mode 2. A joystick will pop up when you press left side of the screen with your left thumb. By sliding your thumb up, the X1 will fly upwards. Slide down, the X1 will fly downwards. By sliding left on the left joystick, the X1 will rotate to the left. Slide to the right, the X1 will rotate to the right. Press the right side of the screen with your right thumb, and a virtual joystick will pop out. By sliding your thumb up, the X1 will fly forward. Slide the right joystick to the back, the X1 will fly backwards. Slide to the left, the X1 will fly leftwards. Slide to the right, the X1 will fly rightwards. After the flight, tap Landing icon. The X1 will land at its present position. You can also slide the left joystick down to land the X1 manually. Despite the flying, the X1 can be used to take photos and to shoot videos as well. Select the photo mode. Tap the shutter once. The X1 will take a photo. Select the video mode. Tap the shutter once. The X1 will start to record a video. Tap the shutter again to stop recording. In the photo mode, select the timer photo. Then tap shutter once. The X1 will take a photo in a preset delay time. The motion-sensitive mode is another option to control the X1 flight. Tap the right side setting menu at the main flight interface. Select and activate the motion-sensitive mode. In this mode, the left joystick is the same with the virtual joystick mode. Press the right side of the screen and tilt the mobile device to the direction you want the X1 to fly in. The X1 can launch on a palm. Put the X1 on your hand and stretch your arm out. Select the Palm Takeoff in Function menu and confirm. After the confirmation by double tapping the screen, the X1 will take off and hover above your palm 0.5 meters automatically. When the X1 is hovering, tap the flipping icon. The X1 will flip 360 degrees automatically and continue to hover after the flipping. When the battery level is low, the tail LED indicator will turn to red and flash rapidly. The app will also prompt you the warning of the low battery level. Please land the aircraft when the battery level is low.